Scientists noticed a strange trend. More and more men have been smelling women's armpits during sex. No, this isn't a kink confession video. Stay with me. Because when researchers actually looked into why this happens, they didn't find a fetish. They found biology. Old biology. The kind that's been running in the background before humans could even talk. Turns out there's a reason for this, and it's older than dating apps, older than perfume, older than pretty much anything humans invented to smell better on purpose. By the end of this, you're going to know exactly what your nose has been doing behind your back this whole time, and why, for a lot of people, it might know more about attraction than your eyes ever will. First, let's kill the obvious assumption. People hear smell and immediately think sweat. Gross, right? Except here's the twist. Sweat doesn't actually smell like anything on its own. It's basically odorless. So what are you actually smelling? Bacteria. Your armpits are loaded with something called apocrine glands. When those glands release their stuff, the bacteria already living on your skin start breaking it down. That breakdown, that's where the smell comes from. So technically, nobody's attracted to sweat. They're attracted to a byproduct of bacteria having a party on someone's skin. Romantic. Here's where it gets genuinely strange. Inside that scent is a compound called androstadienone, a chemical linked to testosterone that gets released through sweat. Some studies have found that exposure to it can shift mood and even shift hormone levels in women, even when they can't consciously smell anything at all. Let that sit for a second. That means part of attraction might be happening before your brain even clocks what's going on. Your body's reacting first, your brain finds out later.
But here's the part that gets even weirder. Not everyone responds to the same scent the same way. Some research suggests people are more drawn to body odor from partners whose immune system genes, something called MHC genes, are different from their own. Why would that even matter? Because pairing up different immune profiles tends to produce offspring with stronger, more varied immune defenses. So when someone says, "I don't know what it is, you just smell right to me," their nose might be running a genetic compatibility check they never signed up for. Now, before this turns into some magical love potion story, it's not that clean. Human pheromone research is genuinely mixed. Some studies find these effects, other studies try to repeat them and come up empty. Scientists don't even agree that humans have pheromones in the strict sense the way insects do. Culture, memory, hygiene, mood, all of that shapes attraction just as much, maybe more. So the mechanism is real. The magic isn't guaranteed. Which means attraction isn't just something you see. It might be one of the oldest chemical conversations two bodies can have, running quietly underneath everything else, long before anyone learned to use cologne or perfume or a well-timed compliment. So next time attraction hits you out of nowhere and you can't explain why, it might not be your eyes falling for someone. It might just be your nose finishing the conversation first.